back again in the world of Salfa. This time I want to tell you the secret under the train. Many people don't know this secret. So I want to tell you what the secret is. Keep still watch here. Come on, follow me. Now we go to the train station. Now I'm on the train, where this train has a secret that you need to know. Keep following me so you know the secret. Hello, Emma.
Hi.
So guys, want to go to the driver first? Still follow me. Oh, okay. Hi, John.
Hi, Salfa.
Nice to meet you. Okay guys, this way. Open the door and go in. Now I meet the driver. Hello, sir.
Hello, Salfa.
May I take a card?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay guys, this is the purple diamond, the donut, and this is a card. But we are doesn't require diamond. Okay, let's just return the diamonds. Let's go out. Bye, John. Okay, I've arrived at that place. Here the secrets. We connect the cable above and stick the card on the door. Yay! Open the secrets. Hello, Mr. Rat.
Hello, Salfa.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too. I want to show you my best friend. This is my best friend.
Wow, this is so cute crocodile.
And this is my little brother.
Very exciting.
Yes, the three of us had a lot of fun playing
Wow,
here.
that's really exciting. Okay guys, it was really exciting to meet Mr. Rat. Next, I will take you on a trip to a more exciting place. See ya! Bye-bye!